I know there's a gigantic debate going on around the value of structured data when it comes to AI search and LLMs. I'm not here to have that argument or debate, but you need to know that LLMs can and do use structured data as a part of RAG pipelines. So even if the specific crawler itself doesn't crawl or parse the structured data, it's still necessary and still extremely valuable in the traditional search perspective. And representatives of both Google and Bing have come out and said, hey, structured data is still valuable and it is something that we care about also from the AI search perspective. So don't neglect it and make sure that you use that in an effective way to define your entities. So you want to make sure that you're using all of that effective vocabulary, all the effective data points within that vocabulary, even if it doesn't give you a rich result, because that helps to clearly identify and understand the entities that you're putting out. When the crawlers start to look at the JSON LD perspective, they're parsing those entities, they're mapping that relationship and encoding it into a vector graph. So this is where you want to truly define all of the data and information that's coming into it. And when the AI systems are generating their answers, they're querying those knowledge graph embeddings to look for the trustworthy entities that most match the user's intent. So if your structured data is missing or you're not being consistent, this is where now your brand's representation in that knowledge graph is no longer complete or consistent, and you might get looked over or passed over to show up within those results.